The first must-try Figma plugin is Unsplash, which allows you to easily search and import high-quality stock photos directly into your design. With a simple keyword search, you can find the perfect image and quickly integrate it into your project, saving you valuable time and effort. Another must-have Figma plugin is Content Reel, a powerful tool that enables you to generate realistic content for your designs. It provides placeholder text, names, dates, and images, allowing you to populate your layouts with realistic content, giving you a better idea of how the final design will look and feel. Lastly, Copy as React is a time-saving Figma plugin that automates the process of copying design elements and converting them into React components. With a single click, you can easily extract CSS and import it into your React project, making it incredibly convenient and efficient for front-end developers. These 3 Figma plugins greatly enhance the design process, providing amazing features that streamline tasks such as importing stock photos, generating realistic content, and automating the conversion to React components. By incorporating these plugins into your Figma workflow, you'll be able to work more efficiently and produce higher quality designs in less time.